You better not be blowing no dick bubbles at me. Are these tomatoes? Cinna, do something. You can fucking hear me.
True.
All right.
I understand now as a viewer why that would piss me off hearing that.
Who's this?
It was Cinna.
Okay. Why are you still talking?
Oh, sorry, you're right. You're right.
Cinna, can you remove the extra
I got
seasoning
oil
on this
on my
as I
shirt.
feel it's super
Sorry.
seasoned? No, sorry.
Oh, yes?
Sorry. Sorry, no, it's my fault. I can't see. Sticky floor.
Mm-hmm. Hey!
So far, so good.
Hey!
Not mad at it.
Ding, ding, ding,
Okay,
ding.
get her a
Good
knife.
Lord.
Get her a knife.
What do you want?
Knife.
A violin?
No.
No?
No,
Oh,
like.
sorry.
Ha!
Ah, you're trying to stab me?
Ah!
Why?
No, I need
Why
a
are
knife.
you stabbing me?
I need a knife.
You want a knife?
Yes.
Yeah, but I don't know where they are. It paused. It rains. It paused. Oh wow, she's
Cutting?
making the onions.
Oh, okay.
Wait,
Good.
Cinna's
Good,
so good
Cinna.
at this.
Good, Cinna. Sorry.
Let me zoom in on that.
Ah, what the fuck did I do? Who hit me? Flex my chest first.
I'm still stepping on peppers.
Yeah, me too. It's pretty sticky on the ground.
Oh, that looks so good. How are you doing over here, Agent?
I'm doing good. Thank you for
Can you
asking.
guess what flavor dots this is?
Can I have one chocolate?
You want chocolate?
What? Yes.
No.
Okay.
What flavor?
I don't know.
Can you guess the flavor?
What's that?
What?
You got soap? Are those bubbles? Hey, get that dick away from me! Ew!
Wait, it's the bubbles.
Emily, I'm going to.
Yes? Turn it up?
You better not be
turn
blowing
it,
those dick bubbles at me. You better not be blowing no dick bubbles at me.
Yes? You want to eat vegetables. We have a lot of cilantro if you want
Come
some.
on, you know that's not what I want.
We have cilantros,
She knows that's not what I want, bro.
bubbles. So right now, Cinna's making the onions for our tacos. And she's not. She's sauteing it. You're gonna put the steak in. Wow. And then,
Good work, Cinna.
apparently you're supposed to do the cooking because you're blindfolded, right?
I cooked
Okay,
some
so
shit. Wait,
here,
no, I got
you can hold-
PTSD. I got.
I am a pussy. I'm a pussy.
No. I got PTSD. PTSD.
I'm
Oil.
Oh, oil. Okay, so you don't want to do it because no oil.
The oil
But Cinna's doing it all.
Good.
You're supposed to do it because you're blindfolded.
What the fuck?
Yes, me. I put the steak in.
I just seasoned the
Do you
steak.
trust me,
I
Cinna?
gotta do everything around here.
Okay. Good? I don't know why I did that. My bad. Okay. It's fine. But yes.
Sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
I need chocolate. I need chocolate. Damn, nigga, I can't.
What?
What? It's hot. It's hot here. It's hot. Are these tomatoes? Oh, sorry.
What happened? Put on south side. Are you guys okay back there? Put on east side, south side, west side. Oh,
Focus on the food, man. I'm sorry. What do I do with this? We don't want tomatoes. I don't want tomatoes on my taco.
yes?
Where the garbage at?
Bowl.
Can I get the other tomato? Can I get the other tomato?
Put the onions in the bowl. Some of them are a little bit bigger chops. I'm listening to music, and it's really good. I like it. Yeah? Shut up. Am I talking too loud? Oh, is my volume too loud? Oh, I'm sorry. I don't realize that I'm screaming because oh.
And how is the steak going?
I don't want to talk anymore.
No.
I'm worried I'm too loud.
No. Ow.
You said I was talking too loud.
No, she said that.
What?
She's too loud. You.
May? Another bowl?
Oh. You asshole. Stop doing that. Hey, would you guys like any help?
Is this good? What do I do? Oh, what? What am I supposed to do?
Do you need help?
I don't know what you said. What? Am I supposed to watch this? Do I watch it? Okay. My mama called TV son. Oh, this cilantro smells so good.
Oh, is it ready? Oh!
They say congratulations.
Okay, it's ready. How do you actually
vacation?
How do you actually load the taco?
Vacation. Made it. Yeah, we made it.
I care. I'm getting a handicap match right now, 2v1.
Okay.
Get back! We're making tacos, lock in.
Truce.
Truce.
Truce. Oh, Agent, you actually hit her! No, hey! The taco is not ready yet.
Wow.
We still got about 10 minutes.
What the fuck?
But I'm gonna make the tomatoes first.
Let me see the tomato.
Slice it into tomatoes.
Can I get tomatoes?
I'm gonna
Can I get
slice
the tomato?
tomatoes and I'm gonna put it in a bowl.
Can I get the tomato?
And then I'm gonna put a lot of extra tomatoes into your taco because I know you love your tomatoes.
Can I get
tomato? And I'm
tomato?
gonna make sure I put extra cilantro into your taco.
Can you give me tomato?
So you can get your vegetables with no steak. What do you want? Slice? Something to put that. Can we do a plate? Wait, you threw away the tomato.
Correct, yes.
No, we need the tomato.
It's in the garbage. What? What?
Slap him, oh, wait, left.
Oh my God, get it away from me.
Good?
Yes,
Good?
amazing.
I will make one.
Okay.
I cut one.
What is she saying?
What'd she say?
What is happening? What are we doing? Talk! Communication!
Are you looking for something?
No, what are we doing?
Avocado! You want me to cut it? Okay.
I can cut it.
Where'd the knife go? Oh, it's over here.
Never mind. What? 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 You handing me something? Hey, she needs to communicate. I don't know what the fuck you're saying, so.
Why is Agent not doing anything? He's just been standing there for the last 10 minutes.
No, I'm emotional support.
So he's gonna eat the delicious tacos, but he hasn't done anything.
I seasoned it. What the fuck are you talking about? What did you do?
He
You didn't do anything.
does not get a taco. He's gonna get cut. What?
I can hear you.
Cut his neck.
Whoa.
No, he can't cut. Oh. Oh, you can scoop the avocado.
Easy. Oh, right. Hold on, chill, stat bro, chill. All right. I've never done this before, but I've seen my mom do it many times. Yes! Did I do it?
Uh-oh.
Did I put it on the ground? Why would you not put it underneath me though? Why let me scoop it? I'm putting it down slowly, and instead of helping because you have fucking eyes, you just let me drop it on the fucking.
All things considered, I think this is going really well. The tacos look great, or they will be great, I'm sure.
I think Cinna's trolling. Okay, I got the avocado.
Did you get a chocolate? Cinna, why are you walking kind of sussily? I saw that backtrack moonwalk you were doing.
Emily! Help!
What?
Where do I put this? Thank you. To see the meat.
Oh.
I want to see the meat. I want to see the meat.
That meat looks so freaking good, bro.
I want to see the meat.
Oh my god. Wait, let me.
Oh, we fumbled. We fumbled. And there's one person here that's mute.
The seasoning's a little weird on
that
it.
has their vision and hearing, and they're supposed to be able to know how to cook. And they're not carrying the team. I don't want to say who it is, because I think that's bad for team morale. Fuck. Cinna, can I get an ETA?
Yeah.
Can I get an
Punch.
Ah!
Oh my god, that is actually painful. I'm sorry.
Yes.
I'm sorry, because I'm so strong.
You can apologize with chocolate.
You want chocolate? Are you okay? Sorry.
You're good. Where's it at? Oh, it feels weird now. Very quiet. Where's my chocolate? Can I get an ETA? Okay, tap me. A number of minutes is left.
Open up.
Wait, no.
No, this is the chocolate.
No, it could be the bubble shit. It could be the bubble shit. I'm not taking that risk.
Open up.
No.
Okay. No, it's fine.
No, I don't know. You two are in cahoots. I don't like this shit. Hey, look, I'm not eating anything y'all niggas gave me, okay? I don't trust it. If
Okay,
you
here,
put
you
that
hold it,
bubble
you
shit
hold
in
it.
my mouth,
Wait,
I'm gonna fucking whip everybody with the shit.
You can, fold over your hand.
It is a chocolate. You put water on it. You're not smart. You're not smart. I'm so fucking smart. Oh.
He's big. This is, oh.
Ooh, this is gonna be so good. Okay, what else?
He eats so much.
Shut up, Cinna. All right, what else?
Look at.
What is this? What is that? What the fuck is that? What is that? It's my ketchup.
You love it?
What is that?
Delicious, right?
Can I take this off? Can I take it off? Cinna, do something. You can fucking hear me. Okay. I can take it off. Yes? Take it off. We're done. What is that? What is that? What the fuck is that? What is that? It's my ketchup.
You love it?
What is that?
Delicious, right?
Can I take this off? Can I take it off? Cinna, do something. You can fucking hear me. Okay. I can take it off. Yes? Take it off. We're done. Oh my God.
You picked Polynesian.
Oh, nice.
You picked Polynesian. Oh my God.
Good job, guys.
I have hyperhidrosis in my face, and I found out from that duct tape. Dude, if I ever got kidnapped, they could never silence me. Like, it's a superpower. The duct tape was just falling off my face.
Someone said mute her.
No.
Wait, how is it? How is the taco?
It's really good, yeah.
Nice job, Cinna. You did amazing. You worked so hard today.
I normally eat steak super rare, especially in tacos, because sometimes it can be too chewy. That's why I made it that way, because that's how I eat it.
Oh, I like to kind of zoomed in, Marcus. That looks nice. Oh, we made one taco. Oh, you finished it.
It looks good from here.